Hello guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to celebrate Halloween in quick 4 steps. 1. Choose a costume. Pick a fun or scary costume, whether it's a pop culture character, a ghost, a vampire, or a zombie. Costumes are you can buy, rent, or even make your own. 2. Go trick-or-treating. Head out with your friends or family, knock on doors, and shout trick-or-treat to get candy. Stores and malls also had out treats. Be polite and take one piece unless told otherwise. 3. Carve pumpkins. Carve a scary or silly face into a pumpkin and light it with a candle. It's a classic Halloween activity. Some places even host pumpkin carving festivals. Get creative and showcase your art. And finally, 4. Visit haunted houses. For a real fright, visit a haunted house. These spooky attractions can be designed to scare with the creepy decorations, fog, and surprise actors. Some are open to all years, like the Haunted Mansion at Disney parks. Just a quick tip, have fun, be safe, and enjoy the thrills of Halloween brings. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.